Hello and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've watched my videos before. So I have two items to unbox today from Coach. Both of these items were purchased on sale. I have been ordering quite a bit from Coach, from either the Coach website, or I've ordered at least one thing, maybe two, from Dillard's, and I've previously unboxed those on the channel. The reason is because everything's been on sale, like up to like 50% off or 40% off. So it's a great time to order things that you want or that you need. So this is probably going to be the last of my Coach for a while. But yeah, I went on a little bit of a spree, and also July is my birthday month, so I always like to treat myself a little bit during that month. So let me see if I can open this. This is the first item, this giant box. Okay, so here we go. And, okay, ta-da! As you see, it is a shoe box, and here's the all the information, the receipt. So let me put this to the side. Okay, so I will unbox these, and these were on sale. I hope they fit. Ta-da! Aren't these pretty? This is like, it's sort of like a silvery, almost like platinum color. So let me just take a look at them. They're a high-heeled, I guess you would call it a high-heeled slide, right? And let me see. This is the Lawrence Metallic shoe. It is in, the color is platinum champagne, and it is 8.5, size 8.5. Now I normally would take an 8. Sometimes I even take a 7.5. It depends on the shoe. But they didn't have the 8 in this color because they had a few other colors. And because it's an open back, I can sometimes wear a little bigger size. So I'm gonna try them on, and let me just see. I don't even know if it's gonna say how much I paid for these in this. Okay, so it was $121.92, and that was the sale price. So, all right, let me try these on. Now, I sort of don't want to try these on camera because I have not had a pedicure since before the pandemic started. I've been doing my own feet, but my own like nails and feet, but occasionally I'll polish them, but right now they're not polished. So, all right, I'm gonna stand up, and I'm going to try these on. And just be kind, don't judge, okay? All right, this is not a beauty channel, so let me see. I think, yeah, they're a little big, but you know what? I think I can put something in the, I think it's like where my toes go, to push my foot back a little. I think they're okay. I'm just gonna walk a little bit in them. Yeah, they're okay. I wanted these here, which is at my mom's, away from my own home. I wanted to just have a pair of nice, like, kind of sparkly sandals, or not sparkly, but just little shiny, fancy sandals that I could wear with a dress if we went to dinner or something when she comes back from her physical therapy rehab. So, yeah, so I wouldn't be doing a lot of walking in them. It would just be, putting them on, getting in the car, going to the restaurant, or, if I occasionally have to go anywhere fancy, which up here I usually don't. All of my fancy shoes are in my apartment in New York City, which is where I live. But I've been here helping my mom because she has Alzheimer's, and right now she's in a rehab facility, and I've been trying to get her new condo unpacked and everything. But that's a whole nother story. Anyway, so these are the shoes. These are the sandals that I got. I love them. They're really pretty. Yeah, I'm going to put something under here. And that'll push my foot back and it'll keep my feet from slipping, but I'm not going to slip through them. Like this part's fine. It's just, they're just like, it could be like my heel. Well, my heel's not supposed to come over the edge. It's supposed to come, I guess, to the edge, the back here. But anyway, these are good. Keeping them. Okay, so let's see. What do we have here? Second item. Now, if you recall, if you have watched any of my videos before, I did unbox a bag that I got from Coach for my mother the other day. I wanted to have a present for her for when she came back from rehab, and I told the story of how because she has Alzheimer's, she was getting really confused and thinking that one of my Coach bags was hers, and she kept taking it and hiding it, and it was kind of sad. And anyway, I asked her at the time, did she want me to get her one? And she didn't, but I saw this and it was like perfect for her. I saw this blue camera bag. It was perfect for her. It arrived and the color was so absolutely beautiful. And I decided, oh my gosh, I really would love a camera bag too. I've been wanting a camera bag for a while. But even though I loved the blue color, I felt like getting the same bag was ridiculous because I'm here helping her. So if we go out and we both have this bag, it's kind of, we look silly with the same color. We're a little old for mother-daughter matchy stuff. And they had the blue one. They had a pink one, which I have a bag from Coach in a similar pink color. They had, I think, a yellow, like a sort of like a mustardy yellow called Flax, and I have a bag in that color from Coach. And they had an off-white called Chalk, and I have a bag in Chalk from Coach. None of my bags are camera bags, but they didn't have a black, at least not on sale. And then they had a color called Dark Stone. And it's funny because I have some vintage Coach bags that I have to clean up. I need to give them a shampoo and then unveil them. But it sort of looked like the Dark Stone might be similar to the old vintage British tan, but maybe a little bit of a warmer color. No, I'm sorry, cooler color. But anyway, let me unbox this and let me show you which color I got. So here, this is just that card they throw in, and here's the bag. And oh, weird, no envelope with purchasing info. Maybe it's inside here. Okay, so here we go. And this was from Coach itself, right? Wait, or was this from Dillard's? And I think this is from Coach. Let me see. Yeah, pretty sure this is actually from Coach. I'm getting confused now. So here we are. I got the camera bag in the Dark Stone. Now, the bag actually sold out, and then it was available like the next day. So I don't know if somebody returned this, but let's hope not. Let's hope nobody used it. So it's all packed up here. So I'm gonna take it, I'm gonna undress it so that I can make sure it's in good condition. Isn't that a pretty color? It's so neutral. I love it that it's so neutral. And let me see, I like to make sure these work. I always got to check and make sure these work. I love that it's neutral, and it can be worn with so many different colors. I can't even think of a color that this would not look good with. So let's see. Okay, so it has this pocket in the front, which is very nice because I like to have my phone in a pocket, whether it's in the front or the back, but somewhere where it's easily accessible, because if you have your phone in your bag, by the time you pull it out, half the time, right, the person's hung up on you. So, all right, let's look at the inside. Okay, a lot of packaging in here. And so we have inside, that's the those silica packets. Let's see. Interesting, this whole thing. Okay. So there is it's a very, fairly large interior. Certainly fits, all the necessities, makeup, hand sanitizer, if your phone, if you want to put it in there. Let's see, and there's a pocket here, which is great. You can put, if you don't want to carry a wallet, you can put your cash and credit cards in there. But this is large enough for a small to medium-sized wallet. I just love this. Let me just check it over. It looks good, doesn't it? This is really exciting. I still need more black bags because I hardly have any black bags. But this is a great neutral, and it's really nice for all year round, really. So I'm sure I'm going to get a lot of use out of this bag. I do love crossbody bags. I love hands-free because I'm always carrying a ton of stuff, or sometimes I have to push my mom in a wheelchair if she needs the wheelchair. Sometimes I'm carrying a pet, so hands-free is really important to me. And this bag is just so beautiful, and I don't think, unfortunately, that the sale is still going on. But if you want to check out the site, I strongly suggest this bag. It's just really, really a beauty. And the blue one, which I posted a few days ago, is also a gorgeous, gorgeous color. So anyway, I thank you for watching, and I hope you liked this. Oh, wait. You need to know the price. How much? Well, it was $2.95 originally, and it was 40% off, I think. So I don't know, guys. I'm too tired to do the math, but about half that. So let's just say it was in the $150 range. I think it may have been $147.50 actually. I think that might have been what it was. I think that's a really good price for a Coach bag. If you can find one on sale, definitely go for it. Coach does have sales a couple times a year, and Dillard's, I do recommend checking Dillard's website because they have Coach bags on sale a lot. You did see my last video about the horrible, pancake smushed box that came from Dillard's, although I doubt it was Dillard's fault. I'm guessing it was probably, the shipping, that it happened in shipping. But I have not had any other than that, box that was so badly damaged. I haven't had any problems with Dillard's. I've never been to a Dillard's store in person because we don't have one around here. But I've ordered a few Coach bags from them, and yeah, it's always been great. And I ordered some earrings from them too, some Kendra Scott earrings. And yeah, I've been very pleased with them. So that's another good source for a brand new Coach if you're looking for a brand new Coach. So let me try this. Ooh, nice and smooth. Anyway, thank you again so much for tuning in and watching. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please follow me. My channel is really just in its infancy, but it would be great to get some more followers and just be able to, I just want to share accessories and my love of accessories. So thank you again. Bye.